Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. The Kia Soul get a refresh and a new color, so blue. What's new for 2023? The Soul get a more dynamic grille, new bumpers, received headlamp, and a new wheel design including 17 and 18 option. Standard is 16. The GT line model we are driving has an aggressive mesh pattern grille, body color front and a rear bumper, and a chrome trim. The interior get a steering wheel and a 4.2-inch digital driver display. The Soul also received some new safety feature, standard rear occupant alert, available lane follow assist, navigation-based smart cruise control, blind spot collision avoidance assist, and highway driving assist. There is just one powertrain now, a 2-liter 4-cylinder mix to a CVT, 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, standard front-wheel drive. There is no all-wheel drive option. The Soul is practical, versatile, spacious, and also some may not like its quirky style. I think it's a 2-1 of the bit for space and it's a lot of fun to drive. With 6.7 inches of ground clearance and higher seating position, the cabin feels open and offers excellent visibility. The Soul is affordable with a starting price of $19,790. It comes with some great features: an 8-inch touchscreen, wire Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4.2-inch instrument cluster, a 6-speaker audio system, cloth seat and heated front seat. In the US, heated front seats are optional on the GT line and standard on the EX trim.